The human heart is a powerful muscular organ located in the chest, slightly to the left, protected by the ribs, and positioned between the lungs. To understand heart disease, it's important to first learn about the heart's basic structure and function. In this video, we'll go over the outer parts of the heart. The heart is covered by a protective layer called the pericardium, which acts as a cushion and helps it keep pumping blood throughout life. Beneath this layer is the heart muscle, known as the myocardium. The right side of the myocardium and the front side of the heart represent the right ventricle, which is a large lower right chamber responsible for pumping blood to the lungs. Looking at the front of the heart, you can see small blood vessels running across its surface. These are the coronary arteries. Just like the rest of the body, the heart muscle needs a steady supply of blood to work properly, and the coronary arteries provide this nourishment. One important artery in this view runs down the front of the heart to its tip. This is called the left anterior descending artery, LAD, and it plays a crucial role in supplying blood to the heart. On the right side, another artery runs along the heart's edge before curving around to supply blood to the lower and back areas. This is the right coronary artery. At the top of the heart, two large blood vessels can be seen. The one on the left is the aorta, which loops around and carries oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body. Next to it is the pulmonary artery, which splits into two branches, one going to each lung. These arteries carry blood to the lungs, where it picks up fresh oxygen. On the upper right and lower right sides of the heart, two large veins bring blood back from the body. These are called the vena cavae. The superior vena cava returns blood from the upper body, while the inferior vena cava brings blood from the lower body. These veins open into the right atrium, which is a small upper right chamber that collects blood before sending it to the right ventricle. Looking at the back of the heart, you can see a small chamber with 4 blood vessels opening into it. This upper left chamber is called the left atrium, and the vessels connected to it are the pulmonary veins. These veins bring oxygen-rich blood from the lungs back to the heart. The bulk of the left side of the heart is made up of the left ventricle, which is the main pumping chamber responsible for sending oxygenated blood throughout the body. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning about the heart and heart disease, consider subscribing to our channel.